Hello, welcome. Today we're unpacking Mr. Honey's Large Business Dictionary, German-English by Winfried Honig. If you work across English and German business contexts, writing emails, drafting contracts, negotiating, reading reports, this book is a practical companion. I'll walk you through what the dictionary contains, how it's organized, why it's useful, and simple ways to turn entries into real communication skills. No jargon, just useful, bite-sized guidance you can apply straight away. Let's jump in. Number 1. What this book is and what it's not. Mini title, a toolkit, not a textbook. Put simply, Mr. Honey's Large Business Dictionary is a bilingual reference built for real business use. It's not a grammar course and it's not a phrase book of tourist phrases. Think of it as a toolbox. English headwords, German equivalents, usage notes, sample sentences, and often collocations, the word combinations people actually use. It's designed to save you time and stop you second-guessing when you need to sound professional in two languages. No jargon, just useful, bite-sized guidance you can apply straight away. Quick image. If language were a construction site, this dictionary hands you the right wrench for each bolt. Number 2. Who gets the most from it? Mini title. Students, translators, professionals, everyone wins. The dictionary is ideal if you study business English or German and want accurate translations, translate reports, contracts, or marketing texts, work in international sales, finance, HR, or procurement, teach business language or coach bilingual teams. If you regularly write emails, prepare proposals, or negotiate across English and German, this book cuts down the guesswork and improves precision. Number 3. How it's organized. Find what you need fast. Mini title. Alphabet, examples, extras. Entries are alphabetically arranged under English headwords. For each term, you'll typically find the German equivalents or equivalents, short example sentences showing real usage, notes on register or nuance, formal versus informal, common collocations, word combinations people actually use. Some entries point to related terms or cross-references. The large edition means more entries, deeper examples, and wider coverage of specialized areas like accounting or logistics. Practical note. When you'll often get both the direct translation and the preferred phrase, which is the one you should actually use in a German business letter. Number 4. What makes this dictionary practical? Mini title, real phrases, not just bare words. 2 features stand out. Contextual examples. Instead of a bare German gloss, you'll see the term in a short sentence that helps you hear the phrase in your head before using it. And collocations and idioms. Business language depends on fixed pairings, market share, return on investment, or in German, Marktanteil, Kapitalrendite. Honig highlights these so your language sounds native, not literal. Example, rather than translating to meet a deadline word for word, you see the natural German eine Frist enthalten and how it appears in a sentence. Number 5. Industry sections and technical coverage. Mini title, finance, legal, logistics, covered. Because it's the large edition, expect stronger coverage of specialized fields, financial terminology, balance sheet, EBITDA, legal and contractual phrases, warranties, indemnities, HR and payroll terms, logistics and supply chain vocabulary. That means fewer trips to a specialist glossary and more confidence drafting sector-specific documents. Tip. When you translate a financial sentence, check the dictionary's finance entries first. It will save you time and reduce risky literal translations. Number 6. Nuance and register. Sounding right matters. Mini title, formal versus friendly, direct versus diplomatic. Business language is about tone as much as meaning. Honig includes notes on formality, which words suit a formal letter, which are fine in an internal email, and which to avoid in polite German prose. These small flags help you choose the right register, so your message lands correctly. Quick rule, If you're unsure, prefer the slightly more formal version in German when writing to clients or authorities. It's safer. Number 7, pronunciation and stress. Say it clearly. Mini title. Don't let pronunciation trip you up. Many entries include syllable breaks and stress markings. That's a small but powerful feature if you're on a call or leading a meeting. Accurate stress makes your speech clearer and more confident. The dictionary helps you pronounce unfamiliar English business words so you sound professional in either language. Number 8, templates and sample phrases ready to use. Mini title. Emails, orders, contracts, draft faster. Large business dictionaries often include short templates or model phrases. How to open a business letter, politely request documents, or confirm terms. Honig gives examples of common business interactions so you can adapt language quickly instead of inventing formal constructions from scratch. Exercise. Keep a copy and paste folder with 3 templates from the book: an order confirmation, a polite invoice reminder, and a contract clause. Edit them to your context and reuse. Number 9, tips for translators and editors. Mini title, beyond word-for-word translation. If you translate professionally, this dictionary is a fast first stop, but use it with care. Watch false friends. Some words look similar in English and German, but mean different things. Honig flags many of these. Mind legal precision. Legal terms can have different implications in each legal system. Use the book's examples, but confirm with legal counsel for contracts. Prefer idiomatic equivalents. The dictionary helps you choose the phrase a native speaker would use rather than a literal translation. Number 10, learning strategies. Turn reference into skill. Mini title, study smarter, not harder. Here are quick, practical ways to learn from the dictionary. Thematic study. Pick a topic, finance or marketing, for a 20-minute session and learn the top 20 terms. Active recall. Close the book and try to write 3 sentences using new terms. Flashcard method. Put the English term on one side and German phrase plus example on the back. Role play. Simulate a negotiation or meeting using the dictionary phrases. Speak them out loud. These small habits help you move entries from passive recognition to active use. Number 11, digital versus print. How to use each best. Mini title. Paper for deep work, screen for quick lookups. If you have the printed edition, it's great for study sessions and getting a physical feel for collocations. Digital versions, if available, are faster for one-off lookups and searching across the whole text. Use both. Study from the book, look things up on the screen when you're drafting. Number 12, keeping language current. The real world moves fast. Mini title. Use the dictionary, but stay updated. Business language evolves. New buzzwords, fintech terms, and legal changes crop up. The dictionary is a solid foundation, but pair it with current sources, trade reports, company press releases, and trusted news in your sector. That keeps your vocabulary accurate and contemporary. Wrap up. Turn words into professional confidence. So, let's bring this home. Mr. Honey's large business dictionary is a practical, no-nonsense bilingual resource built for authentic business communication. Key takeaways. It's built for use. English headwords, German equivalents, real examples, and collocations make it easy to apply entries immediately. It's broad and deep. Specialized sections reduce the need to bounce between glossaries. It teaches nuance. Register notes and usage examples keep your tone appropriate. It's a learning tool. With simple routines, thematic study, flashcards, role play, you'll turn entry lookups into fluent ability. Use with current sources. The dictionary is stable ground. Combine it with up-to-date industry material to stay modern. Start small. Pick 5 words from a current email you have to translate. Look them up, read the example sentence out loud, and rewrite the email using the dictionary's phrasing. Do that a few times and you'll notice your writing sharpen. Thanks for listening. May this guide help you speak and write business English and German with clarity and confidence. If you want, next, I can turn this into a shorter 5-minute elevator script or produce a downloadable checklist of the top 50 terms from the book. Which would you prefer?